Hey guys, so I've had the car for 1 year. People online have been asking a little bit about how the interior is held up since I have the Alcantara and the yellow stitching. So here's that video. I'm currently at 4,281 miles. Everything so far has been great. All of the soft touch areas have held up well. I have put coffees in here, but I do sort of wrap a towel around them or napkins to make sure they don't spill, because I do imagine if you spill, it's kind of ruined. The steering wheel, actually after 1 year and only 4,000 miles, I actually did have to sort of recondition this with some sort of an Alcantara foam spray and a brush, because it did get matted down a tiny bit, which was kind of annoying, but I think if I only have to do that once a year, it's a fine trade-off for how good this feels in the hot summer months. I did have an issue as well with the seatbelt from factory. It actually had a sort of like a wrinkle in it that wouldn't come out, so I wrapped a towel around it, I hit it with a steamer, and it was better. But everything else in the interior has held up fantastically. There are really no scratches or anything anywhere. Everything is great. The only other thing that I've noticed, and I did see it in my original video and my first photos of the car, so this isn't something that's happened over time, but it is sort of an issue to look out for. If you have the Alcantara steering wheels, there's something about the skin or the way they fit where these corners on each side actually have these creases in them. And I guess just, when I was in the honeymoon phase or I just had the car, I didn't notice them. But now they actually do drive me slightly crazy. Again, they're nothing serious. It's just sort of the material, I guess, is softer than leather. So leather would probably be more rigid here and you wouldn't see them. But yeah, that's something I've noticed on a few Alcantara steering wheels. Leathers all have seemed fine, but if you have a leather and you have the same issue, let us know. But that's pretty much the interior. Again, everything, seats, perfect. I did actually have to replace this seat from factory. It had a tear in it right here, so they put a new skin on. The dealer who put the skin on did an okay job, I suppose, but there is this massive crease from when they shipped it. No one really sits here, so this seat should be perfect, but other than that, everything is held up well. And the only other issue, sorry, I'll wrap this up, is this window actually rattles when I'm driving. And if I stick my finger right here, it stops rattling. And I've taken it to 3 dealers. None of them can reproduce it. They all tell me I'm crazy, so I'm gonna have to take it back, find a road, and really just show them it happening, because it does drive me insane. But other than that, other than the rattle, which should be fixed, the interior has been great, the car has been great. So if you pick the 3LT yellow stitching all suede, then you should be happy. It's held up great after a year. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to answer them or take photos or film parts of the car to help you out. So thanks everyone.